So I've done a bit more work on the Telecine project. Unfortunately, the previous method of having the gearbox on the front and driving through to the shaft directly didn't work because the one gear inside the gearbox just disintegrated basically. I'd converted it to brushless as well, and yeah, it just hadn't worked. So what I then went and did was bought an L298N stepper motor controller, a NEMA 17 stepper motor, a GT2 drive belt, and then a 16 tooth pulley with a 5mm bore, and a 36 tooth pulley with an 8mm bore. And I've just basically connected it up as shown. The driver is heat sinked to the bracket like that, and the motor is just screwed onto that bracket too. And during my tests, the whole thing only gets just a little bit warm, whereas the old system, the gearbox and the motor got roasting, and I think it failed because of improper lubrication. So I will apply the power and show you it working. So it's smoother, it's quieter, and it runs at a constant speed, whereas the other motor was getting bogged down quite a bit. It's also faster too, so I'm able to run at about 1 frame per second, and it's converted that amount of film already. So I'm really quite pleased with it. The only thing left to do really is package it all up neatly. The code that I'm using just comes with the Arduino IDE. It's the one with the speed control, but I'm not happy with the code the way it works, because when the stepper motor runs slower it consumes more power and makes a horrible noise, which I'll show you. So yeah, that's a problem. When the driver had just a stock heatsink, it was getting roasting at slower speeds. The faster it goes, the less power it consumes, which is a bit unfortunate. But I'm just powering it off 7.2 volts from a 2-cell LiPo battery, running off this charger, which I just turn on occasionally. I just want to keep it at around storage voltage, and I've got a balancer on there too. So it's working really well. My Rescued Films channel's doing crap, so if it doesn't take off anytime soon, I'll probably just start uploading the 16mm films to my main channel again. Still seems to be a few people that are interested in them anyway. So the film I'm converting now is just an Australian documentary about motorway driving, so it should hopefully be quite interesting. But unfortunately it stinks of vinegar and has gone red, but I can hopefully colour correct for that. I don't know how much though. So yeah, this final solution seems to be pretty good. I was wondering where that went. That's actually the stock heatsink off the driver, but it's stuck in there somehow. As you can see, it's quite small. And when it comes to converting negative films, I'm not sure if I'll be able to get the colour balance properly, sorted properly. When you flip it, you can't always get the colours exactly right, unfortunately, with the colour negative stuff. I think you maybe need a special Telecine camera for that, but I'm hoping not. And just in case you're wondering, the shutter release is just the same. It's just that reed switch still there, connected into the camera.